Welcome to the Biorhythm Review. Can it predict the outcome of your life? Let's know it in this detailed The Biorhythm Review. From birth we arrive in the world with an invisible life path attached to us. While some are in tune with their life path and go on to achieve unlimited success, love and happiness. Unfortunately, the majority of us deviate from this path along the way and cannot find our way back. The Biorhythm is an accurate and tested program and digital self-improvement program that educates individuals on the changes they can make in their lives to improve their future success in life. The Biorhythm is a powerful tool to show you as clear as day what the future holds for you and how to welcome more. What is the Biorhythm? Most people feel that they were put on this earth for a reason, whether it be a religious purpose or to bring goodness to the world. This drive, as the creators behind the Biorhythm see it, is more than just a feeling. They state that anyone who experiences this feeling is an indication that something is missing from their life, and the Biorhythm aims to show consumers where to find it. The advertisement starts by playing on the emotions of watchers, encouraging them to take advantage of the stress that they've had for their lives by taking part in this new program. The host of the Biorhythm says that he's personally used these methods to increase his wellness, improve his love life, and even prolong his life. With this true story, the host claims that the creator of this program was once acquitted of murdering Michael Jackson, though he now consults for the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI. While this is a strange statement to bring up during the promo, he uses it to segue to the thoughts that youngsters often have about their future success. He states that the mentality that consumers had as children has substantially changed over the years. Though many people once had big dreams about what their future would hold, life had surrounded those people with more successful individuals that make those dreams seem less attainable. What does the Biorhythm help to improve? As he states, every person has a path of destiny that they go through in life that will take them to endless adventures. Taking a different turn can disrupt the path that an individual was meant for, and the Biorhythm's purpose is to get consumers back on track. The program is broken into 3 areas of the user's life that they can improve, which are: physical, to improve coordination and increase strength. It will also detail the best times to rest between workouts and when to schedule surgeries. Emotional, to keep track of the individual's sensitivity, mood, and more. It will teach consumers the warning signs of irritability and other negative emotions in themselves and others, which improves cooperativity. Intellectual, to support logical thinking patterns, while improving alertness and communication skills. Passion, to track how motivated and ambitious users are as it reveals the best days to immerse the brain in a demanding endeavor. Mastery, regarding how effective the user is at completing tasks successfully. It will also encourage participants to take on new physical skills. Wisdom, which will combine tasks in both the emotional and intellectual sides of this program. Users will be guided on the best days to make meaningful choices, as well as how to increase their awareness. Balance, which will describe how compatible the user is with their partner, as well as the days that could be more or less challenging. Romance, to determine the affection and romance between 2 individuals for date nights or other quixotic activities. Teamwork, to learn about the best days to embark on group projects or to improve patience. Each one of these areas of life needs balance and direction to make the most of their path. While some methods may be better than others, consumers should follow each lesson to maximize their potential. The Biorhythm facts. What does your biorhythm mean? According to Wikipedia, a biorhythm is an attempt to predict various aspects of a person's life through simple mathematical cycles. Ellipsis. The theory of biorhythms is a theory that claims our daily lives are significantly affected by rhythmic cycles. What is biorhythm compatibility? On a physical level, the biorhythm's compatibility of 2 people will have simultaneously reached their high physical levels and be able to synchronize better. And emotionally or intellectually, representing the chances of having the same mood at the same time. How does one read a biorhythm chart? According to TechWalla, charts will show your biorhythms for a given day, a week, 2 weeks, 28 days, or more. The chart will show 3 different colored lines. For instance, a red line will indicate your physical cycle, a green will reveal your emotional cycle, and a blue will give you an overall picture of your intellectual health. Are compatibility tests accurate? People can reveal a half of a truth, but the ancient systems of planetary influences, based on your birthday, and numerology used in our love compatibility test, or love calculator, is proven 100% accurate. It has been tested for centuries and works every time like magic, per 7 reflections. Final thoughts. Biorhythm helps consumers to establish their life plans in a way that improves nearly every part of it. As enticing as this option may be, the website and video advertisement don't provide much information about the commitments that consumers will have to make. The only way to truly know how effective this program could be for someone is to purchase at least the trial, which isn't even $1. Over 3 days' time, individuals can decide if this is going to be an effective plan for their own life before the monthly subscription fee is charged. Check the link in the description for more. Thank you.